Hey, how's it going? Adam is here from Shopify WordPress Tech. Thank you for showing up to my channel. I'll be posting videos about how to make decent money online. So, since we're all sitting home now and because of the pandemic, the coronavirus, so I'll be making videos on how to open Shopify stores, make stores on a WordPress, make blogs on WordPress and regular websites. Um, I'll be making videos about anything related to the internet, and because I have expertise. Um, if you notice, my channel has also travel vlogs because I do work for an airline and I do travel a lot. That was before the COVID-19s, and unfortunately, everybody's sitting home now. So I just say I'm gonna take the opportunity and then create videos so people can understand and can get started with the stores, the websites, with the blogs, and link them to AdSense or any other advertising companies. So you can make decent money while you're sitting at home during this pandemic. I hope everyone is doing good, and um, I hope you and your family doing um, very good in this tragic time. So 2020 wasn't a great year, but uh, we can make it a better. So once again, it's Adam from Shopify WordPress Tech, and I'll see you in another video. So please watch my videos, share them with your buddies, colleagues, families, and do not forget to like and subscribe. And thank you very much. See you in another video. Thank you.